Hello students. Now from our previous video I explained you the noun and common noun I explained you. Now today I explain you the proper noun. So a noun that is a particular name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. All of you know that there a particular name of person, place or animal thing is called a proper noun. A proper noun does not have a plural form and it always begin with a capital letter. So you have to follow it like Charles, Cario, Cassowary, China Gate. Here you see the Charles, the C is capital. Cario, the C is capital. Here all the name, there is a name of a person, place or things. Now there is exercise, rewrite these sentences using capital letters. Here you see the sentences, twin towers are in Malaysia. So we write all these, we write this sentence using capital letters. So twin tower is a proper noun. So we write it, twin towers are in Malaysia is a name of a place. So M is capital, S-I-A. So students, you have to write all these sentences like that. Now go to the next one. Match the common noun in column A and the correct proper noun in column B. So here in column A we have common noun and here in column B there is a proper noun. Like ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. Gate, the Great Pyramid. Road, the Golden Quadrangle. King, Tutankhamen. Planet, tower, the Leaning Tower. Planet, where is 6? Uranus. Canyon, the Grand Canyon. So like that you have to match the common noun with the proper noun. Here our next topic is collective nouns. Now a name for a collection of people, animal or thing taken as one who is whole is called a collective noun. Means here there is a collection of things, people, animals. So that is called as collective noun. Like here bouquet. Example is flowers. The bouquet is made with lots of flowers. Set of chinaware. Box of matches. Tuft of grass. Fleet of ships. Pack of cattle. 6. Cards. Herd of cattle. So with the help of these words, collective nouns and common nouns, you have to match it correctly. The next one is fill in the blanks using the given collective noun. There is some collective nouns given to us. We have to write it in this blanks. Like my school has a wonderful library of books. Where the collection of books in library. The basketball team won the match easily. The class of students went for a school trip. The choir of singers sang a melodious song. A gang of robbers attacked the village at night. Here you see, read the collective nouns given in color and choose and fill in right common nouns. So here we have to write here there is collective noun is given to us and we have to write the common noun of it. Like suite of rooms, galaxy of stars, herd of lions, league of nations, plague of locusts, crowd of tourists, chest of cupboards, hail of bullets, band of musicians. So students, you have to complete all these exercise. Now here the next noun is abstract noun. Now names of thought feeling, action and skills are called abstract noun. Abstract nouns cannot be seen, heard, smelt, tasted or touched. Here like example is childhood, honesty and patience. Here there are some adjectives given to us and we have to make it noun, abstract noun. So brave become bravery, clever become cleverness, harsh become harshness, gentle become gentleness, gentleness, poor become poverty, cruel become cruelty, proud become pride, soft become softness, hard become hardness, sad become sadness. So students, you have to fill it. Now go to the next is concrete noun. Names of person, places, objects and materials are called as concrete noun. Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns and material nouns are concrete nouns. So here for exercises, tick the boxes that contain concrete noun. So here you tick the box of the concrete noun. Next is underline the number and two nouns in each sentences. Then write whether these are concrete or abstract. Like Hitler is a concrete noun and dictator is a abstract noun. Second, the dog is man's best friend. So dog is concrete noun and friend is abstract noun. Truth is abstract noun and fiction is concrete noun. Patience is abstract noun and the wise is concrete noun. So students, you have to find these words and write it here. So students, you have to write all the names of these concrete and abstract noun and complete it. And to see these pages, you have to tap your documentary study yourself below your video. इन पेजेस को आपको देखने के लिए आपके वीडियो के नीचे जो एक ऑप्शन होता है डॉक्यूमेंट्री स्टडी योरसेल्फ, आप उसको टैप करेंगे तो उसमें ये पेजेस आपको शो होंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू complete your grammar book. Thank you.